Lee, congratulations. That's an absolutely huge 3 points.
Yeah, it was a really huge point, and I've got to give full credit to Steve Evans. Sometimes as a manager, you bring in people who are better than you at other aspects of management, and certainly this week he got the tactics spot on, and we thoroughly deserved to win that game, and we could have scored a few more goals as well.
Ti'n gwybod, da ni wedi gweithio'n andros o galed dros y yma, efo'r siom dros dolyg o golli y gêm yna bwysig. Dwi'n meddwl da ni wedi ymateb yn berffaith. Da ni wedi gweithio'n galed trwy'r wsos. Mae'r tîm rheoli wedi rhoi pethau i ni wneud, ac dwi'n meddwl bod ni wedi gwneud dim byd yn anghywir mewn ffordd heddiw. Ac os ti'n edrych ar cyfleoedd dros y gêm, sydd wedi gallu bod yn mwy.
Firstly, credit to Fflint. We knew that he was going to be a different side, different style of play, really presses from a couple of weeks ago that we played, so we knew that we were going to get a reaction from Fflint. For my own team, really disappointed, really disappointed with the individuals' performances. I gave it to them at half time, was looking for a reaction, didn't get that, too many flat foot performance, not enough bravery on the pitch. What hurt me more is that Fflint wanted it more than us.
Phase 2 is where all the magic happens, and as quickly as you can get as high as you want, you're going to get as low as a snake's belly. So we'll keep consistent, keep work ethics, keep our discipline, keep our heads down, and just see where it takes us. That's all we can do.
I understand when players can have an off day. The touch might be off, the pass, but you can still run for the badge, you can still work hard for the badge, and there's too many in that dressing room who are below par, below.
Dechrau tymor, y nod oedd aros yn y gyngrair. Does ddim byd i cuddio amdan hynny. Da ni'n newydd gael dychafiad tymor diwetha. Da ni'n tîm eitha ifanc, ac dyna di'r nod. Ond oeddwn ni'n gwybod pan nath ni gychwyn yr ail rhan o'r dyma yma heddiw, bod gen ni dal digon yn y garfan i cystadlu yn gryf. Ac fel ti'n dweud wan, da ni wedi agor y bwlch yna, cau un bwlch, ond yr unig peth da ni'n gallu gwneud wan ydy paratoi at y gêm nesaf a cymryd nhw un ar y tro i baratoi at Bari wsos nesaf.